Are you looking to craft a more customizable welcome pop-up for your store, guiding your international customers directly to the right localized experience? In this video, we'll see how you can smoothly transition from Shopify's free geolocation app to Orbe. Orbe not only welcomes your customers, but also ensures they are redirected to the appropriate localized experience, whether within a specific country store experience or across different stores. Let's get started. Let's go to your Shopify dashboard, and obviously you will have Shopify's free geolocation app installed and enabled. But first, let's click on apps and look for in the Shopify App Store, Orbe. You can click here to go directly to the search results, or just go to the Shopify Store and look for it. Let's click on geolocation Orbe and click on install. Review all the necessary scopes and access for the app to be installed correctly and click on install. After that, on the onboarding, you will be prompted to select the best plan for your scenario. Let's go with the most popular one, the advanced plan of Orbe that will allow you to remove the overbranding, unlimited user redirects, and advanced features like translation your pop-up. You have a trial available for any plan, and let's continue with the onboarding. Orbe will explain you how it works on the Shopify store and how you can enable it inside your theme settings, and we'll see right now, to enable your welcome pop-up. This button will guide you to your app embeds section inside the Shopify themes editor. So from here, you can start customizing your pop-up. First of all, enable the test mode. This mode will force the visualization of the welcome pop-up so you can start customizing. From here, you can do a lot of customizations. Show in a close button, enable a flag to show at the top of the recommended country, change the title, the test, the helper test, the button, add a background image for the desktop or mobile version, customize your styles, your button alignment, and even the colors. So let's do a quick setup to customize the pop-up to match the brand guidelines of this store, and let's see how we can continue. And once we have finished with our customizations, we can disable this mode. Remember that this mode is only required when you need to customize your pop-up styles or test. So once we click here on save, Orbe will be enabled in the store. After that, let's go back and find Geolocation's Shopify's free app and disable the recommendations or the selectors if you have also enabled it, and click save. At this moment, Orbe will be your main geolocation technology, and you can uninstall the Shopify's free app Geolocation. But this is only the beginning on your geolocation strategy using Orbe. From Orbe dashboard, you can check analytics monthly of how it's working, if your geolocation pop-up is enabled or not, and also you have another app embed to create a country selector that match your brand guidelines and allowing your customers to change their country preferences. Lastly, you can refresh the data if you make any changes on your market or country settings on your Shopify store, as Orbe synchronizes seamlessly with all your settings that you have previously done on your Shopify store. But this is not only what you can do. You can customize on settings how you like your behavior on the first visit, second visits, the language selector, and language settings. You have multiple advanced settings on how you would like to redirect your customers in each of their visits. You can also translate your welcome pop-up to match your users' preferred browser language, ensuring that your country and language recommendations are perfectly tailored to your customers' linguistic preferences, and also seamlessly redirect between different country experiences across multiple Shopify stores, and many other features that you can find about and learn in our help center. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding your migration from geolocation to Orbe. If you have any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@orbe.app. Thank you for watching.